Good morning, students. Today we are going to start Chapter 1 of Political Science, Power Sharing. Learning outcomes of the lesson are meaning of power sharing, need of power sharing, and forms of power sharing. So let us learn the meaning of power sharing. Power sharing is a system of political arrangements in which power is shared between different organs of the government, between different levels of the government, between different social groups, and between different political parties, pressure groups, and movements. Now, let us learn more about the meaning of power sharing through the case studies of two countries, that is, Belgium and Sri Lanka, which is given in our chapter. So, first, introduction of Belgium. Now, what is the geographical position of Belgium? Belgium is a small country located in Western Europe. It shares its borders with France in the west, Netherlands in the north, Germany in the east, and Luxembourg in the south. Area of Belgium is smaller than Haryana, and the population of Belgium is half of the population of Haryana, that is, little over 1 crore. Now, what is the ethnic composition of Belgium? The ethnic composition of Belgium is very complex, but before we start the topic, let us understand the meaning of ethnic. Ethnic is a social division based on shared culture. People belonging to the same ethnic group believe in their common descent because of similarities of physical type or of culture or both. They need not always have the same religion or the nationality. Now, the ethnic composition of Belgium is 59% of the population in Belgium speaks Dutch language and who lives in Flemish region, which is situated in the north of the Belgium. Whereas 40% of the population speaks French language and they live in the Wallonia region, which is situated in the south of the Belgium. And only the 1% of the population speaks German language and they are situated in a very smaller part in the northeast of Belgium. So this is the ethnic composition of the country Belgium. Now let us talk about the ethnic composition of the capital city Brussels. Brussels is the capital of Belgium. Here the ethnic composition is 80% of the population speaks French language, whereas only 20% of the population speaks Dutch language. And when we study the ethnic composition of Belgium, then in a country where 59% of the population speaks Dutch language and they are in majority, whereas in the capital city Brussels, only 20% of the people speaks Dutch language and they are in minority. Whereas 40% of the population speaks French language in Belgium or in a country and they are in minority there, whereas the French are in majority with the 80%. Now, let us better understand this with the help of this map. According to this map, we can see the Flemish region, which is in north direction in a green color, जहाँ 59% लोग डच स्पीकिंग थे. साउथ में अगर हम देखेंगे तो वेलोनिया रीजन है जहाँ 40% पीपल फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हम देखेंगे 1% पॉपुलेशन जर्मन स्पीकिंग की है. और वहीं पे हम अगर कैपिटल सिटी ब्रुसेल्स को देखते हैं तो यहाँ की कंडीशन टोटली डिफरेंट है, जो कि हमने पहले पढ़ी थी. जहाँ कंट्री में 40% फ्रेंच हैं, वहीं ब्रुसेल्स में वो मेजॉरिटी में हैं 80% के साथ. और जहाँ फ्लैमिश रीजन में 59% डच मेजॉरिटी के साथ हैं, वही डच स्पीकिंग पीपल ब्रुसेल्स में माइनॉरिटी के साथ 20% हैं. So this is the ethnic composition of Belgium, which we saw with the help of the map. Now, how they solve this power sharing arrangement? So let us understand the accommodation in Belgium or the power sharing arrangement in Belgium. Between 1970 and 1993, Belgium amended their constitution 4 times. The final power sharing arrangement in Belgium is different from any other country. As we can see, it is very much innovative. The features or the elements of Belgium model are: first, equal number of Dutch and French ministers in the central government. Special powers required support from both the groups. One group cannot take the decision alone. Second, many powers of the central government have been given to the state government, and the state government are not subordinate to the central government. Third, Brussels, which is the capital of Belgium, the Brussels government too has equal representation. And the final and fourth arrangement is the formation of third kind of government, which is called community government. It is elected by people belonging to one language community. This government has the power regarding cultural, educational, and language related issues. So this is the power sharing arrangement in Belgium, where they accommodate the social diversity or the ethnic composition. In the next slide, we will talk about the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. Thank you.